1 bag of gold medal pan me now. Champion boy, you know. Pan up for them and sing the anthem. Man, man, shell me the goddamn boy. That's why everybody at the champion boy. Have a rich gal in the Hamptons boy. The bush never made in the champion boy. Now man, I do my songsters boy. Flight every week me at the goddamn boy. Yeah, just bust up by a mansion boy. Champion me.
It's Melicaskylife TV. Wagwan, wagwan. Now this is day number 3 of the gym. Today is Thursday. I missed Wednesday because I had a webinar that I had to be on last night, but I'm back at the gym today. I'm gonna walk for, I say, maybe 45 minutes, then do some squats, and then I'm done for the day. So my goal is really to walk at least 45 minutes to an hour, and then do some squats, around 15 minutes worth of squats, and then that's it. I want to do that for 5 days of the week. So any of my workout, as long as I do that for 5 days a week, I'm good. So today is day 3, so keep it locked. Auntie. So I'm going to put on my shoes now. I'm going to put on my shoes yet. But it's nice to see you guys. Remember to give my video a thumbs up if you like my personality, you like my vibes. Remember to subscribe because I will say and I use it. When I must remember today. But yeah man, I go on easy, but I'm doing this for at least an hour, so then I can be on my way home. Because I'm tired and I'm still having the breakouts. I don't know, I guess maybe the exercise will help and stuff. So keep it locked to Skylife TV. I'm your girl Melika, and yes, later. Like so crazy. Look how me care for workout, you know. Me, let me just show you. I just pick up the wrong shoes to exercise, you know. I don't know what shoes I take up to me exercise, and I can't believe I grab the. I just grab up the bag and think of the shoes in the bag. Now I don't know what I'm going to do. But we got to put in that hour, so we got to do whatever it takes to get that hour in. So if these shoes I'm going to run in a few hours, I eat me I going to do. But that's serious about the 30 pounds. Every day something else come up. Psh. Tomorrow I'm going to be prepared from the night before to put my stuff them together. Because I can't believe these are shoes I'm going to pick up. Anyways, I don't complain. I'm going to exercise. Me walking, treadmill, 1 hour. Me a hustle. But if I like 3 miles per 1 hour, and so 3.1 miles. And thing, and I this I do for the next 45 minutes to an hour. Keep it locked. Skylife TV. I'm done with the gym now. I'm walking to go to my drive, and I decide to do come down man and I can't go see me. I decide to go to another. Lighting is bad. But anyways, listen to me. I decide to do a trainer. Get a trainer once per week, which is very good. So in the week I have my game plan, and then on Fridays I have the trainer what for workout. What for give me the intense workout what I need and things. The intense workout what I need. But you can't see me so good, so it make much sense. But yeah, on Fridays I'm gonna get a real trainer that can tone down my body. So I'm gonna put up my phone because I don't want to take it from me. Jamaica this. Sitting. So I'll see you guys. Here with Miss Lynch. Today is day 4 of the gym. Don't watch me ear. The ear won't come like whoa. But yeah, today is day 4 and I'm seeing the changes already and stuff. Yeah, my body's still like that. Like if I really work out, I really lose weight like quick. But you know when I make the laziness take you over. But I'm so serious about these 30 pounds guys. Yeah, for this month. I'm not gonna lose 30 pounds in a 1 month. Well, I don't know still, but we are going to work out the body. Heading to the gym now. Day 4. So you can keep it locked and stuff. If you see me look trimming on my pants, I don't go to what the elevator and thing. Sun hot. You can see it? You can't see view over there, so watch that view. You may want to see view from the building. I'm gonna walk on the bridge. You can see the view from the the building and stuff. I'll turn on the camera. Watch that view. Come down here, sir. Try to drop down there, sir. Yeah, so I'm going to the elevator now. Take it and go downstairs. Walk to the gym. We'll be in the gym for like an hour and a half. Today's Thursday. Today's Friday. Today's Friday. And around 5:30 I know, so by 6:37 I'm supposed to cut from the gym. And thing. Remember to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and a bag of things. Anywho, later. I must say I talk. We're going in the perfume store before I stop by the gym. Give them people some free advertisement. So they subscribe. We're in the store now. Do you have Brute? I said him, Jaya? Brute. Brute? Yeah. Another one day. No one green back.
Brute? No, I don't have Brute.
Oh, she don't have Brute, people. The driver is looking at perfume, a cologne, and we're waiting on him. I'm chilling in the chair in the meantime and stuff. Can't make up his mind.
I could check if it's available.
Some pretty nice colognes and perfume.
What about the CH or the 212?
Yeah, they have a pretty good collection.
I think you like it that also.
How much is it, driver?
It's 83.
That's a good price. People just done change. Me know some look like me just done workout already. But just done put on my clothes and me I go me I put on the shoes out here so. And things. So I put on my shoes and he warming up. Walking at 2 miles per hour right now. So I'm gonna 5. Be doing this for 30 minutes. So this is just me warming up. So keep it locked, guys. Hey guys. They're black or they can't see me. But ending day 5 at the gym. Pretty beat out. And mash up. Auntie. Eh? Mash up, man. Mash up. I have one gym partner now, Saturday. They're back.
Oh yes.
So we're going at dark now, so this is where we end the night. Skylifers. I'm out.
One bag of gold medal pan me now. Champion boy, you know. Pan a podium and sing the anthem. Yellow man, man, shell on me the goddamn boy.